Why do people gain weight even when they eat home food at the office? Your lunchbox might be sabotaging your fat loss more than junk food. Most office lunches are overloaded with carbs, hidden oil, and zero protein. Result? Afternoon sleepiness, sugar cravings, belly fat that just won't go. Rule number 1 for weight loss lunches: protein first, carbs second. Protein keeps you full, controls blood sugar, and stops evening snacking. Lunch option number 1: high-protein Indian plate dal or paneer/tofu, big portion of veggies, small portion of rice, or roti. This combo keeps you full for 5 to 6 hours. Lunch option number 2: office-friendly salad bowl. Add chickpeas, sprouts, tofu, or grilled paneer. Skip creamy dressings. That's where calories hide. Lunch option number 3: smart wrap lunch, whole wheat roti plus protein, filling plus veggies. Tastes like junk food, but burns fat like clean eating. The biggest mistake? Office canteen meals, fried snacks, sweet drinks. After lunch, these spike insulin and store fat instantly. Do this one thing after lunch: walk for 5 to 10 minutes. It improves digestion, lowers blood sugar, and boosts fat burning. Fix your office lunch and you'll notice less bloating, no evening cravings, visible belly fat loss within weeks. If you want simple weight loss meals that actually fit a busy office life, like this video, subscribe to FlipFit Yourself, and comment lunch. I'll drop a full 7-day office diet plan next.